In the metals quadrant today, copper taking a little bit of a break. Really, all the metals have been taking a break. Copper's quietly been lower the last two sessions. Today's a good example of the price action, though, as copper wasn't even as low as down 0.25%. It was just briefly down about 20 basis points, moved back a little bit up from there. Copper's now down the last two sessions, but again, if you looked at it on a longer term chart, it really looks like unchanged price action. And it's really the lack of news and the lack of Chinese data. And what I mean by the lack of news is lack of any new news on the U.S.-China trade talks. There hasn't been bad news. Still optimism reigns, but there hasn't been any good news, any announcements. Last we heard last week was about the potential for a signing event between President Trump, President Xi Jinping. President Trump is now in Vietnam, meeting Kim Jong-un from North Korea, so nothing's going on with that, and that's really what's kind of quieted the copper markets down from the rally it's been on. And then the dollar's been quietly lower. The dollar's working on its second consecutive down week. Granted, it's only Tuesday, but if you look at it, it's been down 6 of the last 8 sessions. Today being the largest of those 6 sessions, being down close to 0.5% on the lows on the dollar index, creeping up a little bit off the lows. And that definitely helps copper keep the levels it's at, keeping those 2 down days from getting any more dramatic than they did. Again, they look like unchanged price action, even though it is slightly down for the last 2 sessions for copper.